Hi, we're happy to see you. Welcome to our June market report. This month, we're very happy to say we have a very positive, I think, both an outlook as well as a report of what we're going to potentially see in the future. And this is really the first time, Denise, that we're able to give a positive response to all the market indicators that we review.
So true. So let's show you what we mean. This is the market update for Northern Virginia, and this looks at all the numbers up until the end of May. And this comes from Market Stats by Showing Time. And what it's showing is the median sold price currently is now $670,000.
And that's a 5% increase from last month.
That's right. Homes sold, 3,006 homes were sold last month.
I had to check my calendar and calculator twice, but that's a 25% increase over last month.
Wow. Days on market, 13 days.
Yeah, that's 4 days less, faster sales than it were last month.
It's amazing. And then the number of homes for sale jumped to 2,434.
That too, a great number. That's 5% more than we saw last month.
Yep. These numbers don't lie. You definitely feel it. At least personally, I feel like there's been a lot more activity going on. I just feel like there's some type of buzz in the air in terms of the real estate market right now.
Yeah, and I think a lot of that could be evidenced from, we did an open house, as you probably saw on our social media post. We did an open house on both Saturday and Sunday this previous weekend, and the turnout was pretty remarkable. There were good weather. We were blessed with good weather both days. And it seemed as though that the turnout, that buyers are still out in the marketplace. It seemed like a number. We had a few neighbors in the area that wanted to stop by, but for the most part, they were buyers that were coming into the area. And it seemed like the chief, I think the motivators for them were certainly the location of the property. It was a wonderful, beautiful setting. But the house had been so well prepared. It was in remarkable condition. It offered a lot of just very high quality finished areas in the house. Mm-hmm. And most important, I think it seemed like the pricing was there. And that's what we're finding, is that if the condition of the property is, good to exceptional, and then the pricing is on point, it seems that that's what's attracting buyers. And again, we had a wonderful turnout, but we also want to invite you to come out this weekend as well. We're going to be holding the house open on Saturday. And please, go to our social media posts or other social media posts, as well as our website for further details.
Yeah. Definitely the buyers were out. I mean, I was a little concerned. Last week, interest rates jumped to 7% one day. I got a little nervous.
Yeah, I think we did.
To what we were going to expect. Or are we going to see people stop going out? But actually, they turned out despite that. Additionally, just a couple minutes before we made this video, the Federal Reserve announced that they're not going to be increasing rates.
Yeah, it kind of probably goes along with the fact that I heard on the way in this morning that the inflation rate has now been reduced. This last month's report will be at 4%. So I think that's a strong indicator that the corrective direction that the Fed had started a year ago has now, because the inflation rate was up around 9 a year ago, I heard.
Yep. So I think you're right. You called it right. Positives. Yeah. So we don't have a crystal ball. We don't know what's going to happen in the future. We can tell you right now, if you're a seller, it is still a seller's market because the inventory is so low. If you're a buyer, there are opportunities to still get a great rate and lock in that house of your dreams.
Yeah, we're starting to feel certainly there's a lot of energy in the marketplace as you talk with other agents, the business that we're doing, the discussions that we're having. I think we're all pointing towards the signs that this marketplace is improving. And it's probably, as we heard, I think we were talking just this morning, is that there's probably been a delayed spring market.
Okay.
We're starting to see a lot of the indicators now that inventory is rising. Again, a lot of the reports that we look, and please, again, always refer back to the paper because we kind of mix this up in this format. but we do a great blog on our website. And truly, the inventory numbers are starting to increase. You're starting to see more. We do a market update every day through our MLS, and you're starting to see those numbers go up. One of the interesting numbers that you'll see as you kind of review some of our, especially the blog, is that properties are coming on the marketplace. So you have more listings coming on the marketplace as new listings, but they're more, I should say, than active listings. So obviously a lot of those properties are selling almost immediately as they go on the marketplace.
Yes, it's not uncommon to see them go under contract, if not before it even hits the market, but 1-2 days. It all depends on the area.
It's so true.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, again, thank you for tuning in. Thanks for watching us each week. And we hope we continue to provide you with information that's important and help you make some decisions. Again, our blog that we do from this production is placed on our website each week.
Yes.
And then we have a lot of other social media that's out there. So please continue to tune in.
Yes. We have great information in the description below as well. Subscribe to our channel. We would love to hear from you.
We'll look forward to seeing you soon.
Okay. Bye.